Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have the link and you're ready to start. Open a reputable QR generator or app and paste the full link into the URL field. Choose a size that matches where you'll display the code, larger for print, smaller for screens. Then set error correction, L for max capacity, H for resilience against damage. Once done, pick the output format like PNG or SVG so quality matches your use case. This first step gets your data and basic settings correct before generating. You now customize the code to fit your brand or medium. Change foreground/background colors, but keep high contrast so scanners can read reliably. Avoid gradients that break modules. If you add a logo, make it small and centered, and increase error correction so the code stays readable. Preview the QR across devices and sizes, and test with 2 different scanner apps. Once you confirm reliable scans, generate the final file type, SVG for vector scalability, or PNG. You're at the finish line. Export and verify. Save the QR in the chosen format and resolution, then print a test or place it on a mock web page. Scan the saved file with multiple apps and devices to confirm it opens the intended link. If a scan fails, troubleshoot by increasing the quiet zone, reverting to black on white, or raising error correction and regenerating. Once consistent scans work, deploy the QR with confidence and monitor initial user feedback for any unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.